Angles are formed by two rays that share a common point called the vertex. In this example, we have ray AB and ray AC, and since they both share the point A, that is the vertex, we can name this angle in a couple different ways. We can name it by just our vertex. So we could say that this is angle A. That little symbol denotes that we're talking about an angle. We could also call it by the vertex and a point on either ray. So we could call this angle BAC. So BAC, or we could call it angle CAB. But the vertex, when you're naming the angle with three different points, the vertex is the point in the middle. We can also number our angles, so since there's a 1 in here, we can also refer to this as angle 1. Now let's say we had another ray, AD, and that formed another angle. So let's talk about how we might label this angle. So again, we can call it by a point on either ray and the vertex, so we could call this angle CAD, or we could also call this angle DAC. Again, we could number it, so we could put a number 2 in there if we wanted to. And so we could also refer to that as angle 2. Okay. We probably would not want to call it angle A, because now we have two angles that have the same vertex A. So to call it angle A now, or even to call this one angle A now, would lead to some confusion because they could both be called angle A. So if we had a situation like this, we would probably want to choose one of these other methods of naming our angles so we were not confused.